Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to display Google Calendar API. Through Google Calendar API you can display calendar of any sort of year inside your Python Tkinter application. So this is a graphical user kind of an application. Let me execute this, and as soon as you execute the application the interface will look something like this. So here you can have the ability to actually show the calendar of any sort of year. So we have this input field right here where we allow the user to simply select which year they want to display the calendar. So inside this input field we can enter any sort of year. Let's suppose I say 1997. So in this year I want to display the calendar. So we have the two buttons here, show calendar. So as soon as I click the show calendar button, it will open a new window, and here you will see the calendar of that specific year 1997. So you will see all the months are here: January, February, March, April, May. So this application is really useful because sometimes you need to uh, get specific dates. So through this application you can input the year and then it will display the calendar of the specific year. So let's suppose I change this and change this to 205. Again click show calendar, you will see it will display the calendar of the specific year. You can even now see the future calendar as well. So if I say 2035, so now it will show the future calendar as well. So this is a very useful application, and we are making using just use the Google Calendar API for making this, which is a very popular API. If you just write on Google, so this Google Calendar API, we are embedding directly this API inside the Tkinter application. So for this you don't need the API key. So there is a free module that I will show you. So first of all you just need to install this specific module here, which is called as calendar. So this calendar module you just need to install. So the command is simple. You simply pip install calendar. So this is actually the module that we are using here. This is actually a free module, free Python module. So simply install this, and after that we can essentially use this. I think the specific name is different. Let me ask here ChatGPT what is the name of this module. So what is the name of the so there is a specific name here which so this is actually calendar module. So simply pip install calendar. So this will install this. So after installing it, I have given all the source code in the description of the video. So you simply import everything from Tkinter, and then from Tkinter TTK we need to import everything. So we import the calendar module here like this, and then we basically make a function here which will show the calendar to us. So here we set the properties here about the window here, what is the background color that you want to set. So you can set this any color here. Let me set it white here, and then you can set the title of the window, the size of the window, so using the title method, and the geometry. So it says width and the height, and then we will be having a input field where we will be fetching the value of the year field. So we will convert this into integer, and then we will basically fetch the calendar based upon the year given using this calendar method, and we pass the year. So we have this year label here where we allow the user to enter the year, and then so I've given all the source code in the description of the video, so you can go to my website and just copy paste all the source code. So here we are just initializing the window. Here you can see we are setting the background color, title, geometry, and then we are adding a label on the screen where we allow the user to simply enter the which year that they want to get the calendar, and then we are adding it. So it looks something like this, so you can see that. So the full source code, guys, is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.